How to make your email subject lines irresistibly clickable. Mastering the art of curiosity. Hello language learners. Welcome to today's video where we're going to explore a crucial aspect of email writing, the subject line. Our focus for this lesson will be on creating curiosity. This tactic is essential in making your emails more engaging, increasing open rates, and ensuring your message is read. So, let's dive into the magic of curiosity-inducing subject lines. Curiosity is a strong desire to learn or know something. It's what drives us to explore and discover new things. When it comes to email subject lines, curiosity is your secret weapon. An intriguing subject line can capture the recipient's attention and compel them to open your email. However, creating the right amount of curiosity requires a bit of skill and subtlety. A good curiosity-based subject line has several key characteristics. 1. Unexpectedness. A surprising or unconventional subject line stands out in the inbox. 2. Incompleteness. By not giving away the whole story, the recipient is drawn to open the email for more. 3. Personal relevance. The subject line should connect to the recipient's interests, values, or needs. These characteristics work together to create an irresistible invitation to explore your message. Let's look at some examples to understand how to apply these characteristics effectively. 1. You won't believe what we found. 2. The secret to improving your English faster. 3. This could change the way you learn. Each of these subject lines is unexpected, incomplete, and personally relevant. They tease the content of the email without revealing everything, encouraging the recipient to open the message. While curiosity is a powerful tool, it's important to use it wisely. Avoid overusing curiosity-based subject lines as they can lose their impact over time. Additionally, never use curiosity to deceive or mislead the reader. Always ensure that the content of your email delivers on the promise of the subject line. That wraps up our lesson on creating curiosity with your email subject lines. Remember, the goal of a subject line is to get your email opened. By adding a dash of curiosity, you can make your subject lines more enticing and improve your communication effectiveness. Keep practicing and experimenting with these techniques, and you'll soon master the art of crafting curiosity-inducing subject lines. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep learning and exploring, and see you in the next video.